Hello, we're back. Uncle Dan's here. Oscar. We're at site number 4, or 3. We're going to install or 4. We're going to install our second set of Saskatraz bees, Saskatchewan and Alcatraz. It's a nice family in Saskatchewan that has bred these over the last, I think, 12 or 15 years. Kind of out in the middle of nowhere with no other bees around, so they could breed them. And that's what this queen is. Tell them where we're at, Uncle Dan.
We're up here by the Deer Hollow turnoff.
Deer Hollow turnoff. Okay, we're about the same, probably about 7,000 feet maybe here.
I'd say we're a little,
6,900.
Maybe 69.
A lot of juniper, a lot of pinyon pine, sage. There'll be a lot of nice wildflowers here in the next 3 or 4 weeks. The creek's right down there, and some good shade and some good sun. Should be a good place. I feel good about it.
I do too.
Okay, so here we go. We're ready. The hive's ready. Got our tools. We're here ready to go. Shake down. Take out the syrup. Have our board ready. That was good. Get our queen out. These are harder to get out than I would have supposed. I don't know why. There's a healthy queen.
Yeah.
She's a darker color too than those Italians are. Look at that. That one's signaling. Hey, queen's here.
Okay. Here we got her.
Queen's here. We got her. You ready with the
Plug?
with the plug, Oscar? So Oscar's filming. Awesome to film, and we got this, and we'll get that out of there and put the. Oop! She almost got out. Almost came out.
Ooh, that would have been bad.
That would have been not good. Okay. We'll trim this extra sugar off. We'll kind of get a little start going on here and a divot, just to be friends with our neighbors here, these girls. Okay, great. We're back. Got the pin. This is the next hive, which in my production sequence is actually hive number 5. Let me turn that. I like to twist. We like to twist it so she's facing that way. It doesn't get blocked by accident. Like that. There we go. I don't have to pin it. I think it would hold, but I just want to be sure. Okay, the pin's in. That queen is seated there. Let's send her with some friends. Hive tool and open up the tabs. Tab 1 is open. Tab 2 is open. I left the truck running this time because they got a little hot at the last stop, and I didn't like that. Here's the bees. Let's see how many are left there. A little more than I had last time. A lot flying around this time. I'm in a hurry to get them in. These ones have been the longest since they've been fed. I'll get that on there for them to get them started right away. got this is how we're gonna start them all out. It's not a full frame. You all clear there, everybody? Everybody clear? Looks like it. Just got one right here, though, sadly. It's like we're hung up on that top board. So, a little too tight. We'll take this out, make ourselves a little more room. It'll be okay. They're not going to inhabit at this part of the hive really at this point. But they can get back there and it's okay. We've got one that's kind of pretty clear. What do you think, Oscar?
Yeah.
Okay, queen's in. They're already marching at the door. Did we capture many of them, Oscar? How'd we do?
Not quite on yet.
You did okay?
Yeah, we captured. I think we captured the least this time, but we
They're
captured.
already, look out the front, they're already marching out of the box, heading up towards the opening.
These ones seemed more aggressive when they came out of the box. One was trying to sting my face, but
Yeah, they seem more aggressive, didn't they?
yeah.
I think they're the hungriest. They've been the longest since anybody got fed. So
Yeah.
you've got a lot more on you than we usually have.
They starting to go in and out?
Yeah, they're doing it. So that's great. Okay,
All right.